Hey, welcome back to JJ Central DIY channel. Today's video is something interesting. Just got this cheapo metal detector. Pretty darn good for what it is. I'll put a link in the description if you want to pick one up. Just under $100. So, septic tank here, right along this area, and the drain field goes one this way and one that way. How do I know? I just know that that one exists because the overflow was visible. Then I measured the same distance, and somewhere over there it was going. And it's super interesting. In order to find the overflow cap, I was using this metal detector, and you can see picked it up right around here, and I was expecting probably 6 inches deep or something. Kept digging, and you can see adjust the sensitivity so it goes deeper. I was super surprised that look how deep it is. About a foot down is the actual drain field cap on the other side. Okay, this side dug deep, about a foot and a half, as you can see here. And the metal detector found this particular pipe. And perfect, now I could make sure nothing goes in. Just made a makeshift cap with a toilet flange that can sit there till I figure out a way to extend the stack and leave it like that. Isn't that awesome? And kudos to this metal detector. It finds everything. Found a couple of coins and stuff. I wasn't sure if it will actually find this deep, but clearly, look, you can adjust the sensitivity, and it tells the depth. You can kind of see here. There's the sensitivity adjustment, and it tells the depth in, believe in inches. And it was showing 20 plus, and I didn't believe it, but it was pretty much correct. And we were able to find within 15-20 minutes of playing around with it. Yep. All right, so I'll put a link in the description. VVAR seems to be a really decent brand for quite good price. I believe it's like $60 or $70. So pick one up, have a new hobby. You don't have to have the most expensive $1,000 ones to get the job done. All right, hope you like the video. I'll see you in the next video. Hit the like and subscribe, and check out my other content. All right, see you then.